Sila kuwe. Okay. Morning, you guys. I'm at home. I wanna go to my mom's garden now. Want to show you my mother's garden. When last did I see a big yard? Oh my goodness. I'm so happy to be home. Hey, shoes and all. This is another plot we have. Madam. Yeah, Mpumalanga. Yeah. Papayas, guava, mango, lychee, avocados. We are so rich here at home. See, my mom has got tomatoes, spinach, lettuce, and spring onion. Funa sendi pizza nemvana. Spring onion and onions. And then we have cauliflower. Nonhle. Ngiyaphila unjani? Siyaphila salpenjani? Spinach. Ma? Oh. Yam le koto ile yone? Oh. Si rich. Matamatiso sekangaka. Beetroot. Mbila. Here is the madam of the palace. Green paper. Hi, madam.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm well, thank you. You have a beautiful garden.
Thank you very much.
Organic food. And then sineli hoge. Organic chicken. Ye lihle hoge lakho lakhela ngubani?
Ngishongo.
Eh? Asinawoke. Hawu ngiyajabula ukuthi ngisekhaya. Bonya lo batawubona amahoke. Yeah, lihoke is chicken house.
Hayi jonge into ekokobovu. Setisilungu.
Siyaphila nathi. Yeah, madam. Awusebenzile. Usebenzile. Hey. Siyabonga. Uthi siyafana yini?
Ngole so.
Ngithuswe ngadzeni vele. Usengadzeni. Okay ke sharp. Oh. Umuhle wona.
But
Tino takho ti fresh mina kufuna ngichacha. Funa ku. Uy. Mina tinguku tiyangitsandza.
Mase khona ngifakele kwelibhodlela la yabona.
Libhodlela for?
Noma liphepha letinguku alisabo sifuna kudla.
Manje ngekubole naso kuvalile.
Uvala just like that.
Oh. Seliyane speaker sam.
Uphelile nomndeni alona.
Awukapheli la ukavali la emuva kwakho. Oh. Nkalaphi?
Hey, hayi mina ngicela
Ungambe sesifakale kuLondon no-internet London.
Nganifake malume.
Ungafake ku-internet.